Hello, new teachers and teacher leaders. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to use a web app called Padlet to organize and connect your ideas, thoughts, and activities and phenomena all together into what we call a concept map. If you have a Google account, you are going to log in with your Google account. So go to the top right-hand corner of Padlet.com and press login. Log in with your Google account. If you're new to Padlet, it's going to ask you to do some registering and all that. So you're going to go through all that process. And what we're going to do is you are going to make a Padlet. So press on the pink button that says Make a Padlet. And for the sake of making a concept map, you are going to press select under Canvas. And what we have here is a canvas for your concept map. We have your title, which you'll change. And you could double click on the title, change the title. We'll call it Sound Waves. And Made with Swagger, I'm going to delete that. And I can change the background and customize it. And so forth. And once you're done customizing it to your liking, you are going to press close. And here's your canvas for your concept map. Now, to make a concept map in terms of for your teaching box, the first thing you want to do is you want to create a post-it, a digital post-it for your anchoring phenomena. So this plus button on the bottom right-hand corner is something that you're going to press, and a digital post-it comes up. And I'm going for now, just to model it, I'm going to call this anchoring phenomena. And a variety of things that we can do with this post-it is we can take a picture of something on the screen. We can find something on Google. We can link something to this post-it, or we can upload something to this post-it, and other things that you can do as well. So there's a variety of things that you can add on to this digital post-it. For now, I have an anchoring phenomena that I found online, which is a video. I want to add this video to this digital post-it. So I have this thing called acoustic levitation video shows liquid droplets float on sound waves in midair. Well, I'm going to use this video because it's just pretty cool, and I think it's something that my middle school or high school students can investigate. So if it's a YouTube video, you can press share, and this link will come up. I'm going to copy this link and double click on that and go to the button that says link and paste that link in there and press save. And that video pops up right there. So meaning that just in case I forgot where that video is at, well, I can go back to my Padlet and refer back to that and find that video and show that video to the class. Underneath the anchoring phenomena, maybe you can type in the explanatory model, have an explanatory model and explain how this phenomena is working as a way of anchoring all your activities to it. Now, assuming that I've done that, now I want to connect my activities and concepts to this. And so we have a model that you've been using that looks somewhat like this on a note card. And the question is, how do we convert this note card into something that we can place on Padlet? Well, there's a variety of ways. One is you can type it up manually, which we are going to do. It's just easier that way, and it's more time efficient. Or you can do a desktop screenshot of this, crop it, and place it in, which is a little time consuming. So I recommend that you type it up. So what we're going to do again is we're going to press the plus sign again on the bottom. Another digital post-it will come up, and I'm going to call this properties of sound waves. And to recall what we just typed in, there's science concept, what students will learn, I'm gonna type that all in as headings in my digital. Oops. Let me delete this one more time. I don't know what's happening here. What is going on? All right, there you go. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in those headings. So science concepts. What students will learn. Activity. And I think questions that students might have. What might students wonder? Great. And so I'm going to type those all into this box. All right, assuming that I'm done, let's just say there was an activity online that I want to connect this back to. Well, I can go to that activity. And I did have the activity somewhere. And I lost it. All right, assuming that this is the activity here, just pretend I can copy that link and paste it under link. There, now it's something I can't lose because it's on my Padlet. All right, now the next question is, how do I connect this digital pad to the anchoring phenomenon? Well, I can click on more actions and I can connect to a post. So I'm going to connect to a post and I'm going to connect back to the phenomena. All right, and there's labeling options. So properties of sound waves and the phenomena is connected such that I'm going to say makes whatever. Okay, connects. And now what we have is a connection between your activity and your phenomena. And we can connect, we can even go a bit more deeper. Let's just say we have another activity, activity 2. You can do the same exact thing. Connect that to this, or connect it to that. And it gets really messy and really awesome because science is a chaotic version of a concept map, and you're just trying to make it very systematic for kids to learn. And so this is an example of how to make a Padlet on Padlet.com. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on how to use it. But other than that, it's an awesome tool to use so that you have all of your digital materials all in one place.